Every detailing forum in 2026 is saying the same thing. Wax is dead. Ceramic killed it. So why are 3 of the products on this list still selling out every spring? Why is the #1 pick out selling actual ceramic coatings on Amazon right now? Something doesn't add up. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is. Here's the real problem most owners run into. A pure Carnauba wax typically holds up for about 1 to 3 months before a wash or 2 strips it down to almost nothing. That's fine if you genuinely enjoy the Saturday ritual of paste and a buffing cloth. But for most people, reapplying every few weeks isn't realistic, and that gap is exactly why hybrid and ceramic-infused formulas have taken over so much shelf space this year. They push that protection window out to several months instead of a few weeks, without asking for professional-level prep work. Also, this list isn't ranked on price tags or marketing claims. It's ranked on what each product is actually built to solve, so you can match it to your car instead of guessing. All 7 products are linked in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 7, Car Guy's Hybrid Spray Wax. This is the one to grab if your real problem isn't protection, it's time. A traditional paste wax asks for 30 minutes of circular motions on a hot driveway. The Car Guy's Spray Wax asks for a clean panel, a few pumps, and a wipe down, done in under 5 minutes per section. It's built as a hybrid, meaning it blends Carnauba wax with synthetic polymers, so you get a touch of that classic warm glow along with a layer that holds up slightly longer than pure Carnauba alone. It works fine as a standalone protectant, but it really earns its spot as a quick refresh spray between full wax sessions, especially after a wash when your paint is already clean and you just want to lock in the shine before it sits in the sun. The trade-off is durability. This isn't designed to fight months of weather. It's designed to be reapplied often, and that's exactly the job it's good at. That's mistake #1 people make with spray waxes, using them as a replacement for real protection instead of a maintenance layer. The next pick fixes that problem with actual ceramic chemistry. Number 6, Chemical Guy's HydroSlick Ceramic HyperWax. Chemical Guys built their name on detailing products people actually enjoy using, and the HydroSlick HyperWax is where that reputation shows up. It's a hybrid paste that blends SiO2 ceramic particles into a wax base, so you're not choosing between gloss and chemical resistance. You get both in the same jar. The ceramic content is what separates this from a basic Carnauba paste. It adds noticeably better water beading and a slicker surface feel that holds up to washing better than wax alone. Application is still hand applied, panel by panel with a haze and buff process, so it's not as fast as a spray, but the payoff is a deeper, wetter looking shine than most spray ceramics can match. This is the pick for someone who still wants the ritual of waxing a car on a Saturday morning, but wants the result to actually survive the following week's rain. But paste wax has one flaw nobody likes talking about. It's slow to build up on a full sedan or truck. That's where hard wax changes the conversation completely. Number 5, Soft 99 Fusso Coat Hard Car Wax. Soft 99 built a cult following in Japan before American detailers caught on, and the Fusso coat line is the reason why. Unlike a soft paste that melts under your hand, this is a genuinely hard wax. It goes on firmer, cures into a denser film, and resists breaking down under detergent, washes far better than typical Carnauba pastes. Soft 99 markets versions of this line specifically around extended durability, built for owners who don't want to repeat the process every few weeks, and it's become one of the most imported and recommended hard waxes among American enthusiasts who first heard about it through Japanese detailing communities. The shine it produces is deep rather than glassy, closer to what Carnauba enthusiasts chase, but with noticeably better staying power once it cures. The catch is patience. Hard wax needs proper cure time before buffing, and rushing it leaves a streaky, uneven finish. Get the timing right though, and this is one of the longest lasting traditional waxes most owners will ever put their hands on, which is exactly why it keeps showing up on import detailing shelves across the US, despite barely being advertised here. At this point, we've covered the spray fast option and the cure slow option. Now we're moving into the picks people argue about in detailing forums at 2 a.m. Number 4, Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba plus Paste Wax. Meguiar's has been the name new car owners reach for since before YouTube existed, and Gold Class is the product that built that reputation. This is a Carnauba-rich paste built specifically around that warm, almost liquid glass look that ceramic sprays, for all their water beading, still struggle to fully replicate. The enriched oils in the formula are designed to feed into the clear coat and bring out richness in the paint's color, especially on darker vehicles, where depth matters more than raw gloss numbers. It pairs cleaner conditioners into the formula, so it works on both polished and lightly oxidized paint without a separate prep step. The honest trade-off is durability. Carnauba-based waxes simply don't outlast synthetic sealants or ceramic sprays, and Gold Class is no exception. What you're buying here isn't months of armor. You're buying the specific look that Carnauba purists have chased for decades, in a formula that's genuinely beginner-friendly to apply. Here's where it gets interesting, because the next pick proves that old school wax and serious durability aren't actually opposites. Number 3, Bilt Hamber Double Speed-Wax. Bilt Hamber doesn't do flashy marketing, scented formulas, or premium packaging, and that's exactly the point. This is a no-frills paste built around T1 Carnauba and hydrophobic polymers, and it has quietly become one of the most respected waxes among detailers who actually track how long their protection lasts. It's described by the brand as detergent resistant, meaning repeated car washes don't strip it the way they strip a basic Carnauba paste, and owners who've used it season after season report it, holding strong water beating for several months at a time rather than weeks. Application takes a light touch. Go on too thick, and it gets grabby and harder to buff off, but applied thin and worked in small sections, it levels out into a genuinely glossy, water-repellent film. It's the wax detailers recommend to people who are tired of being sold on scent and packaging instead of actual performance. That's mistake number 2 in the wax world, assuming more steps and more products always mean more protection. The next 2 picks prove the opposite. Simpler can win if the formula is right. Number 2, Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 Wax. Griot's Garage built its name on making serious detailing accessible to regular driveway owners. And the ceramic 3-in-1 is that philosophy distilled into one bottle. It's designed to clean, polish, and protect in a single application, combining mild cleaning agents with ceramic-infused protection so you're not running 3 separate products across an entire weekend. For most daily drivers, that single-step approach removes the biggest reason people skip protecting their paint altogether: the time commitment. The ceramic component adds water beading and slickness that hand-applied Carnauba alone won't give you, while the polish element handles light swirl marks and water spots picked up from regular washing. It's not built to compete with a professional multi-year coating, and it won't outshine a dedicated show car Carnauba paste either. What it does is solve the actual problem most owners have: not enough time, not enough motivation, and a car that still needs protecting before the next storm rolls through. For someone juggling a full-time job, this is the realistic middle ground between doing nothing and committing an entire Saturday to a multi-step wax routine. And that brings us to the pick that explains everything from the start of this video, the one quietly outselling actual ceramic coatings nationwide. Number 1, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. This is the answer to the contradiction we opened with. Wax isn't dying. The slow 30-minute paste and buff version of wax is dying, and Turtle Wax read that shift correctly before almost anyone else. The Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating combines SiO2 ceramic technology with the simplicity of a spray and white bottle, sitting at one of the lowest price points of any ceramic-infused product on the market, while still holding several months of water-repelling, UV-resistant protection per application. It's become the most accessible entry point into ceramic-style protection for owners who were never going to book a professional coating appointment or spend an entire Saturday paste waxing a truck. You apply it after a wash, in minutes on a still damp or dry panel, and it cures into a slick, hydrophobic layer that holds up to regular washing far better than a basic wax. It isn't a multi-year professional coating, and it won't outlast a higher-end ceramic system applied by a trained detailer. But for the price, the application speed, and the real-world durability it offers compared to traditional wax, it's become the default recommendation for daily drivers across the country in 2026. That combination of low cost, low effort, and a real upgrade over old school Carnauba is exactly why it's quietly outselling products that cost 3 or 4 times as much, and exactly why it earns the top spot here. So that solves it. Wax isn't disappearing in 2026. It's splitting into 2 camps. One side is chasing that deep traditional Carnauba glow with picks like Meguiar's Gold Class and Bilt Hamber, where the goal is a specific look, not maximum durability. The other side just wants real, lasting protection without giving up a weekend. And that's where hybrids and ceramic sprays like Turtle Wax and Griot's Garage take over. Both camps are completely valid. The only real mistake is picking a product built for the wrong job, grabbing a slow-curing show wax when you actually need 5-minute weekend protection, or grabbing a basic spray when what you really wanted was that deep Carnauba glow on a weekend cruiser. Which camp are you in? Classic Carnauba or fast ceramic spray? Drop it in the comments below, and if this list helped you pick the right product for your car, hit subscribe for more honest buying guides every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.